So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to unmute messages on WhatsApp Business. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the WhatsApp Business app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now see, this is the inbox of your WhatsApp account. So to unmute a message, you should have to tap unmute message until you will see the option of unmute on the top right corner of your screen. So tap on it. Now see, your message has been successfully unmuted from WhatsApp Business. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.